The United States men's national team is off to a good start in their string of 3 tune-up games ahead of the Copa America tournament. They defeated Puerto Rico 3-1 in the first ever matchup between the two teams. Brad Guzan and Tim Howard each played one half in goal for the U.S., as head coach Jurgen Klinsmann is still deciding who will man the net in the upcoming tournament. Tim Ream and Bobby Wood notched goals in the first half, while 21-year-old Paul Arriola, making his first appearance for the national team, scored his first career international goal.